Hello viewer, it's your boy Chef Bill RD, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the best Chinese takeout style shrimp egg rolls. They're going to be crunchy, they're going to be flavorful, and you're going to want to eat all 15 of them by yourself. Now let's get into these rolls. So first off, you're going to need all your vegetables for your filling. I got some cabbage here, I got some celery, and I'm using pre-shredded carrots because I don't feel like chopping up carrots tonight. Then you want to add all your chopped veggies to a large bowl and give it a good mix. Now we can move on to the next step and season our protein of choice. I don't really measure my seasonings like that, but I did for you guys. So to my shrimp, I added 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, some MSG, and no, it's not bad for you. All right. Now, if anything, all the microplastics is gonna take you out first. You know what I'm saying? Before that, little MSG ain't gonna hurt you. All right. They lied to us. And a little white pepper. Then I'm gonna add my shrimp onto a medium-high heated pan, and you want to cook the shrimp about 70% because we're gonna fry these later on. You know, and nobody want to overcook tough-ass shrimp. Then to an even bigger pan, I'm gonna add a little oil, some ginger paste, some garlic paste, and give that a little mix. Cook it off a little. Then I'm gonna add my vegetable mix. And you wanna cook this until it's just about tender. Then add a little bit of sesame oil while it's cooking. You know, you wanna know when it's done. You just take a little bit, taste it, just to see if it's, you know, tender enough and not, you know, still hard. Pause. Now the most crucial step to making good egg rolls is you want to remove the excess moisture from the rolls. So what you want to do is you want to take out the vegetable mix, strain it off, add it back to the pan, and add a bit of potato starch to suck up all that excess moisture. And for my seasonings, to a bowl, I added 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, a pinch of sugar. Then I added a little bit of MSG, and you want to salt to taste, but you know, not too much salt, because nobody wants salty egg roll. You want to be real light with the seasonings, real light. And I also added some chopped green onions at the end. This is the brand of egg roll wrappers I used. I got them from my local Asian market. I would recommend you get them from an Asian market because I find them to taste the most, you know, accurate to like Chinese takeout style. Now to wrap your rolls, you want to get some water or some egg wash. I'm using water because the eggs are too goddamn expensive now. You want to place the wrapper flour side down, and with your water or your egg wash, you want to wet all 4 sides of the wrapper. You want to fold it in both corners and just until they just about meet each other, and then you want to tuck in the folds and then gently roll them over. You know, it's not that complicated. This is not the only way to roll an egg roll. Don't overcomplicate it. Now I'm going to get a pot, heat up some oil, because a expensive deep fryer doesn't want to work anymore. Rest in peace. Now heat up your grease to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit and drop your little precious rolls and fry them until they're deep fried and crispy and delicious. And enjoy. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And I'll see you next time. Peace.